Antarctica. A place that feels less like part of Earth, and more like another planet. At the bottom of our world lies a frozen continent so mysterious, so extreme, that even today, scientists admit we've barely scratched its surface. For most of human history, Antarctica wasn't even real. People imagined a southern landmass to balance the globe, but nobody had seen it. It was a myth. A guess. A blank spot on a map. Then came the explorers, sailing through storms, icebergs, and total darkness, and when they finally reached land, they discovered something shocking. Antarctica wasn't just cold, it was the coldest place on Earth. Temperatures drop so low here, your breath freezes in the air. Boiling water thrown into the wind turns instantly to ice dust. And no human settlement can survive year-round without specialized gear and constant supplies. But Antarctica isn't only ice and emptiness. It's a giant time capsule. Buried under miles of ice are air bubbles from hundreds of thousands of years ago. Scientists drill into the ice sheet like it's a history book, reading ancient climates trapped inside frozen layers. Through these bubbles, we learned about past ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and even mysterious chemical changes in Earth's atmosphere. But the frozen desert also has secrets, some stranger than fiction. Deep beneath the ice lies Lake Vostok, one of the largest lakes on Earth, completely sealed off from the surface for almost 15 million years. Its water never sees sunlight. Its ecosystem is isolated from the rest of the planet. When scientists sampled it, they found microorganisms unlike anything seen before, surviving under pressure, in total darkness, in conditions similar to Jupiter's moon Europa. Antarctica might be the closest example we have to an alien world right here on Earth. But it gets even stranger. There's a place called Blood Falls, a waterfall that stains the ice bright red. It looks supernatural, like the glacier is bleeding. But the color comes from super salty water rich in iron that's been trapped beneath the ice for thousands of years. When it touches air, it rusts instantly, creating a crimson river in the middle of a white desert. And while the land is quiet, the sky is full of noise, because Antarctica is one of the best places on Earth to detect particles from outer space. The continent is home to the IceCube Neutrino Observatory, a gigantic detector buried deep in the ice. It listens for tiny particles called neutrinos, ghost-like visitors from exploding stars and distant galaxies. Every time one hits the ice, it creates a tiny flash of blue light. When scientists detect them, they trace them back to their origin across the universe. But Antarctica isn't just science. It's a place of extreme survival. Winds can reach 200 kilometers per hour, strong enough to lift equipment off the ground. The sun disappears completely for months during winter, plunging research stations into endless night. Temperatures drop lower than the surface of Mars. And yet, life continues. Emperor penguins huddle together to survive storms. Weddell seals dive into icy waters breathing through holes in the ice they maintain with their teeth. And microscopic extremophiles live in rocks where everything else would die. But perhaps the most incredible thing about Antarctica is not its climate, or its animals, or even its alien-like landscapes. It's the fact that it's the only place on Earth with no countries, no cities, and no wars. By international agreement, Antarctica is protected. No one can claim it. No military bases. No mining. It exists for science, and for humanity as a whole. It's one of the last truly untouched frontiers, a reminder of what Earth looked like before we changed it, and a warning of what could happen if we ignore its signals. Because Antarctica's ice is more than just frozen water. It's the planet's cooling system. And as it melts, sea levels rise, currents shift, and the world changes with it. Antarctica is beautiful, dangerous, alien, and essential. A frozen mystery at the edge of the map, still whispering secrets about our past, our future, and the universe beyond.